Welcome to the session. Hi, Churchill. Good to see you. Okay, let's just wait a couple of minutes for everyone to join in. Hello. Yes, Churchill. I'll let you know by tomorrow. Okay, Monday. Nice. What did you do आज? Practice किया आपने कुछ? Hi, Sparsh. Okay, that's really nice, Churchill. Good morning, Sparsh. Welcome to the session. Hello, guys. Good morning. Hi, Yogi. Hello, Lavina. Hi, Megha. Hello, Manthan. Hi, Shubham. Hello, Soumya. Welcome to the session. Hi, Kajal. Hello, Anubhav. Good to see you join in. Namaskar, Yogi. Welcome to the session. Hi, Shubham. Good morning, Megha. Welcome to the session. Hi, Lavina. Hello, Naman. Hi, Anubhav. Hello, Shreyashi. Good morning, guys. Hi, Harshita. Yes, Shubham. Hi, Pallavi. Welcome to the session. Hi, Siddhant. Hello. Yes, Anubhav, there was nothing to do. I was just waiting for the class to start. Hi, Amit, Rohan, Divya, welcome. Hello, Vasu. Hi, Banot. Hello, Samyan. Yes, we're going to do para-based questions. We're going to do RC and a couple of decision-making sets as well. Hi, Abhiket. Hello, Karan. Come on, guys, quickly join in. I've pinned up the link of the group. If you're not already a part of it, do join it. Hello Mukesh, Sneha, Yogeshwari, Kavipriya, Devanshi, Sagar. Welcome guys. Welcome to the session. Okay, so till everybody joins in guys, let's try out a couple of para-based questions and then we go on to RCs. Okay. Hi, good morning everyone. Okay, come on guys. 15th question, odd one out. Decision making as well. So Devanshi, till everybody joins in, we'll just do a couple of para-based questions, then we'll go on to RC and then we'll come to decision making. Hi Ujas, hello Neha, hi Ayush. Okay, come on guys, you have to tell me which is the odd one out. I didn't get you Anubhav. Abhiket refresh करो. I've increased the font size to the maximum. एक बार refresh करो. हाँ अनुभव. So Combat is India's largest weekly scholarship test for the CAT examination. इसमें आपको 30 questions आते हैं, 10 from verbal, 10 from LRDI and 10 from Quant. For every question, it is a time-bound test. Okay. Now, if you get rank in the test, like जैसे top 50 rank या top 100 rank या top 3 rank, उस हिसाब से आपको discounts मिलते हैं on your plus subscription. So, for example, you can get 100% scholarship, you can get 50% scholarship, you can get 25% scholarship. तो आपको plus subscription में benefit करता है. And there are thousands of students who write this, and you get real-time leaderboard as well. So that's what Combat is. Hi Gaurav, welcome to the session. Hello Gaurav, hi S, hello Anushka, hello Abhi. Come on guys, question on your screens. Hi Monica. And you should have spoken to the team about it Abhi कि देखो मेरे को rank आया है. It also matters, you have to give the test live. That is also important. But you can tell them that I've got 10th rank and can you please share the scholarship code if I just check with them. It's an odd one out question. Hi Manshu. Okay, what did they say? Hi Monica. Hello Lekhna. Hi Mehul, Sumita. Good morning Shreya. Odd one out. Yes guys, odd one out. Hi Krivish. First question. Okay, should I like just follow up एक बार Abhiket? No Neha. Yes, poll होगा. Hi Ritam. Hello Akriti. Okay guys, come on, let's start the poll. 15th question, the poll begins. Okay, 45% accuracy. 41. Hi Lohit. Okay. Okay guys, come on, let's check this out. See guys, the odd one out is 2 and the order of the remaining sentences is 5, 3, 4, 1. Okay, come on, let's sort this out. In the past year, Google searches for carbon offsets have been on the rise and those who sell them say their sales are up. Can be your opener. The market-based approach to reducing emissions is not without criticism. So, uska criticism kya hai? Spend about 10 hours flying this holiday season, and your travel could add as much as a metric ton or 2,000 pounds of carbon to the atmosphere. So, this talks about carbon emissions. If you feel guilty about those climate warming carbon emissions, you might be tempted to purchase a carbon offset. So if you feel guilty about this 2,000 pounds of carbon that you're throwing into the atmosphere, you might be tempted to purchase a carbon offset. And that is why Google searches for carbon offsets have been on the rise. So guys, 3, 4 or 1 का तो clear subset है. when 16-year-old climate activist Greta Thunberg sailed across the Atlantic Ocean on a zero emissions boat, she did so to make a point about the millions of tons of carbon dioxide emitted to the atmosphere as a result of air travel. And 3 talks about air travel. Yes or no? So guys, 503 ka link hai, it links the air travel and how much carbon it throws into the atmosphere. And 4 in 1 ka link hai because of the purchase of carbon offsets. But 2 says the market-based approach. What market-based approach? To reducing emission is not without criticism. Now, which option tells us the criticism of reducing emission? Not mentioned. Reducing emission क्यों गलत है? Market-based approach क्यों गलत है? Not mentioned. So this is not part of a mandatory pair. Neither is it connected, nor is it, it's completely irrelevant, guys. So that's why your answer option will be 2. Okay. So Vishwash, we are discussing para-based questions, जैसे odd one out, para jumbles. उसके बाद RC पे आएंगे. Hi Gulafsha, welcome to the session. Hello, okay. Hi Sonali, everyone. Come on, guys, let's go to the next question. चलो, ये भी odd one out है. Come on, everyone. Odd one out question on your screen. We will poll. Colloquial मतलब a local way of saying it. Hello Pushpinder. Hello guys. Odd one out question on your screen. Come on, try it out. Yes, we'll start the poll. Yes, Arushi. Hi, Spriti. Guys, I want all of you taking the subscription. Don't forget to apply the code RITU guys, while subscribing to Plus. Book your subscription real soon, guys, because the batches have started. Hi, Rohit. Women's की preparation भी करनी है. Kajal, just refresh once. Hello, Mehak. Okay, shall we start the poll, guys? Come on. Mixed sources, Anushka. Some PYQs, some mock-based questions. Hi, Neha. शुरू हो चुका है ना अभिषेक, कल ही तो शुरू हुआ था. नेक्स्ट क्लास इज ऑन मंडे 12 noon. मंडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. Yes, of course, Anushka. Good morning, Neha. Welcome to the session. Okay, guys, so the odd one out in this question is 3. Okay, very good, Monica. The order of the rest of the sentences are 1, 4, 5, 2. Come on, let's have a look at the second question, Neha. Let's see. Today's popular image has the ninja throwing shuriken colloquially known as throwing stars or ninja stars, items that have almost no connection to the historical figure. Okay, instead, as a part of the samurai class, ninja used the standard weapons of their day along with special infiltration tools. Now, guys, do you all agree? Okay. Yes, guys, 1 minute. I will answer your doubts. एक बार ये question discuss करते हैं, फिर I'll come to your doubts. Instructions tell ninjas to hide the face with the sleeves and mention the use of white headbands that identify members of the ninja unit. Now, guys, this is talking about their attire. Aren't all the other sentences talking about the weapons? Yes or no? Aren't all the other statements talking about weapons? This is talking about their attire, how they dress up in order to hide or disguise or cover their appearance. Yes or no? So clearly 3 is going to be our odd one out. It is not even consistent with the theme. Yes or no? It's not even consistent with the theme. No, Gulab Shabbi, advanced. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? Why the odd one out is 3? Clear? Yes, okay. Okay, guys, now since everybody has joined in, shall we begin with RC? Shall we start with RC, guys? Yes, come on. हाँ, इसके बाद लेंगे स्नेहा. Okay, 1 sec. Let me just upload it again. Okay, Vishwas, just check your connection once. Okay, guys, this is the passage. Okay, 1-page passage. Let's see the questions first. Guys, is the voice clear? Is the voice low? No. Okay, sorry, guys. Picked up the wrong question. Sorry. 1 minute. Yeah, pinning up today's file. 1 minute. I pinned up yesterday's by mistake. Hi, Sunny. On the group, Abhinav, in the file section, but you have to take the plus subscription. Otherwise, all the sources that you have are just books or PYQs. Okay, so guys, let's come to it. Chota sa, I mean, एक page का passage है. Okay, let's have a look at the questions first and then we solve the passage. Which of the following statements can be the closest inference from the author's statement when he talks about modern investigators circumventing well-established legal protections? Okay, so this is a specific question, guys. Yes, this is guys, is the voice cracking? Voice crack ho raha hai kya? No. Okay, guys, no. The voice is clear. Just check your connections एक बार. ठीक है, circumventing well-established legal protections. This is a specific inference question. Which of the following instances most accurately represents an example of the maximization technique? Can I say this is a parallel reasoning question, guys? Can I say this is a parallel reasoning question? Which of the following example instances connects with the example of maximization technique? All of the following statements represent a source of empirical evidence which suggests that false confessions occur regularly, except it's an exception based question. Okay, according to the passage, which of the following statements can be inferred from the psychological research conducted through controlled, again, specific inference question? In the sentence, again, there's a sentence which has been taken from the 4th para, and this is also a specific inference question. Can we start with this, guys? Shall we start the discussion? Yes? Okay, come on, guys. Come on, everyone, read it. 1 second, let me write. Okay, font size, I'll reduce. Yeah. Come on, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Hi, Nikhil, Manoj, Rim, Balraj. Hi, Akash. Hello, Anchal. Hi, Priya. Come on, guys. Yes, yes. Nahi, Akash. It's been almost 20 minutes since it started. मॉक्स एंड मॉक्स आरुषि. फॉल्स कन्फेशन मतलब किसी ने क्राइम नहीं किया होता है पर उसको फोर्स करते हैं कन्फेस करने के लिए कि हाँ मैंने ही किया है जबकि वो खुद क्रिमिनल नहीं है. Egregious is terrible. लीनियंसी मतलब नॉट दैट स्ट्रिक्ट कि ठीक है तुमको माफ कर देंगे या तुम पे इतना हार्श नहीं होंगे, तुम्हारी पनिशमेंट कम कर देंगे, तुम एक्सेप्ट कर लो. लीनियंसी मतलब नॉट दैट हार्श. इस पे क्वेश्चन है. ब्लेटेंटली मतलब एकदम बोल्डली डायरेक्टली. हाय खुशबू. हेलो अजय. Come on, guys. Shall we go to the next page? Hi, Ajay. Okay, wait. Elicit is to draw out, obtain, निकालना. Done. Next page. Coerce means force. Hi, Rahul. No issue. We did a couple of para-based questions. Now we've come to RC, and then we'll do a couple of decision-making sets. Okay, done, guys. You want me to show you the passage again? First question. So read this. Okay, read, guys. Can we go to the question? Sorry. Come on. Guys, you have to understand the meaning of the question. Circumvent legal protections. Circumventing legal. If you circumvent something legal, you're doing something illegal. So definitely A and D are out. You will consider B and C illegal, illegal. Circumventing well-established legal protections clearly means you're doing something illegal. Now, in the passage, it is clearly stated the modern interrogators shift from a direct to an indirect method for communicating benefits or harms is little more than means it's nothing more than a method for eliciting confessions by circumventing well established. There is a shift from direct to indirect. There is a shift from direct to indirect. How can you say any technique direct or indirect? So guys, answer is C, right? Did all of you understand this? Circumventing legal protections means something that's illegal. Who said less time consuming? And it's about legal protection, legal. You're doing something illegal. Correct. So guys, answer option is clearly C. Right, Rohit, now look at this. Hi, Gaurav. So you have to understand the meaning of the word circumventing. तो ये देखो, इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है? डायरेक्ट करेंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स इलीगल है, इनडायरेक्ट में शिफ्ट हुए हैं, क्यों? बिकॉज दे वांट टू अवॉइड वेल एस्टैब्लिश लीगल प्रोटेक्शन, मतलब अवॉइड कर रहे हैं कि देखो हम लोग को इलीगल नहीं बोलेंगे क्योंकि हम लोग घूम फिर के कर रहे हैं. Did you understand this? For example, if a road is blocked, you circumvent, मतलब कहीं से बीच बीच में से रास्ता काट के कैसे तो आप निकल जाते हो, circumventing the police barricade, let's say. Avoid. क्योंकि direct is clearly against legal protections. You're shifting to the indirect method, and by this you are circumventing law. एक loophole find किया है आपने. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? Yes, direct तो fully illegal है, पर indirect से जाकर you're doing through the पतली गली वाला route, trying to circumvent under the veil. Correct. Very good, Surojit. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go to the next question. Which of the following instances most accurately represents an example of maximization technique? Minimization or maximization दिया था. Minimization was to play down. Maximization was to exaggerate. Come on. Most accurate depiction of the maximization technique. Good morning, Chetan. Seeing you after a really long time. How have you been? Very easy, guys. Parallel reasoning questions are the easiest. Please get it right. Come on. Okay, guys, it's clearly given exaggerating the strength of the evidence. Yes or no? Exaggerating the strength of its evidence. So can I say that the answer option is B? It's telling that your fingerprints were found. So guys, answer option will be B. D is actually minimization. You're sympathizing with him. That's the minimization technique. Maximization is threatening, harm. So answer option will be B. Clear? A is not strong, na? It's not maximization. You're just telling him, "Arey, confess karo, warna chalta jayega." But it's clearly given, exaggerating the strength of the evidence. So that's why your answer option will be B. So Abhikhet, it depends on passage to passage. This passage did not give you a scope for skimming and scanning. You had to do speed reading. We have done passages where we have skimmed and scanned. Would depend करता है passage में कितना dense और tight है information. Skimming and scanning is basically focusing primarily on the author's opinion. Hi Roshan, come on, third question. Come on, guys. Shall we start the poll? Accept. Hi, HP, Abhishek, Jhansi, Ganesh, Rahul, Roshan. Okay, let's poll, guys. Guys, high profile cases mentioned है, psychological impact mentioned है, research mentioned है, transcripts mentioned है. But look at this, analyzing the confessions of suspects in those cases where the ground truth about the crime has been established. How is that false confession? Can I say this is not an empirical evidence? Yes, this is not given. Yes, Pallavi. Okay, next one, guys. Sorry. According to the passage, which of the following statements can be inferred from the psychological research conducted through controlled laboratory experimentation? Through controlled laboratory experimentation. One minute. एक second, guys. Come on. Okay, shall we come to the question, guys? Hi, Manshu. Hello, Ankit. Okay, options. Please focus on these words. अरे शुभम, वो पैरा का इंफ्रेंस पूछा है गाइस, वहां पे क्लियरली दिया है ना, they've shifted to indirect methods. Yes or no? We read that para for the previous question also. Indirect methods बोला है, तो फिर how are you gone with blatantly? Blatantly is direct. It's clearly veiled. Indirect threats and benefits. Look at the para carefully, guys. The oversight is going to cost you really a lot. Look at this. This technique is advocated by leading interrogation training manual and commonly used. Is it one of the primary techniques? Look at this. How are you communicating this? You're communicating this through veil, na? Indirect methods for communicating benefits or harm. Yes or no? It's a very commonly used interrogation technique. So guys, यहाँ पे clearly it's not blatant, it is veiled, it is not comparing benefit अच्छा है या ये वो comparison नहीं है. Got it guys? Did all of it coerce? Use the word coerce. Correct. So answer option will be C. Come on, last one. Come on guys. Hi Vikrant. No, guys, this is not done. I will not take you to the passage for this. No, then you're going to spend a lot of time in the exam just going to the passage again and again and again. ये तो एकदम डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. ये 5 बार हम लोग ये सेम पैरा पढ़ चुके हैं. Yes, Anushka. Then, guys, if, you can't go back to the passage for everything. This is so direct, harsh or lenient, harsh or lenient. Harsh टेक्निक क्या था, lenient टेक्निक क्या था? Exactly. Harsh, exaggeration of evidence. Didn't we do that question? Harsh is maximization strategy and lenient was minimization strategy. So guys, you have to reduce your dependency on the passage. The same para, the 3 questions were there on the same para and you've gone and read the same para again and again. That's going to have a very deleterious impact, guys. You're going to spend a lot of time. Now, accuracy, yes, but it's also about time, guys. Come on, because this passage you didn't do skimming and scanning, you did traditional reading. If you had done skimming and scanning, I can understand your need to go back to the passage again and again. But you did traditional reading, you read every single line and every single word of the passage. Then you have to reduce your dependency. If you're doing traditional reading, guys, your focus should be more on one-time reading. Skimming and scanning, going back and referring. Clear, guys? Did all of you understand these points? Okay, let's go to leaderboard. Excellent, Anushka, Ekta, Lavina, Karan, Megha, Yogi, Shubham, Devanshi, Mehak, and Gulafsha. Excellent, guys. Hi, Akash. Good, Pallavi. Okay, guys. Guys, chalo. Right. Guys, I think most of you are going to give the combat now. You're going to give the combat. Okay. अच्छा अच्छा. Okay, guys, come on. Shall we take a decision making set? Good for now, Naman. See, I planned just one, guys. मतलब मैं I'll let you know if evening also we'll have a special class. Okay. Okay, 1 second, guys. हाँ, YouTube है. No, Yogi, it comes only in Zat. 5 p.m. YouTube है. Hi, Karthik. Okay, guys, just a small request. I wanted to continue, but my head seems to be aching a lot today. Is it okay if we continue at 5 p.m.? Yes. Really sorry, guys. Really sorry. Guys, I want everyone to be a part of the group Unacademy_Ritu Dudoria. Do take the plus subscription, guys. Live tests, weekly quizzes, study materials, unlimited access, structured courses. When you take the subscription, guys, 6 months, 18 months, 24 months subscription, please make sure that you use the code RITUMBA in order to subscribe. Okay, guys, और ये रहे upcoming batches. I will see you all soon. Okay, take care, guys. Have a good Sunday. I will see you again at 5 p.m. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and apply the code RITUMBA while subscribing. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.